Today I'm so excited to share with you everything you need to know about visiting Super Nintendo World at Universal Studios Hollywood. There is definitely something for everyone here, from the cutting edge ride to all the yummy food to the interactive gameplay and all the colorful eye candy. My first tip for you is to get there early. We were there before rope drop. We got there plenty early and there was still tons and tons of people. The ride opened in February of 2023. We were there a few days after it opened and it was pretty insane, so I definitely recommend you get there in plenty of time before the park opens. Now, to enter Super Nintendo World, you get to go through a warp pipe, which is really fun because it's got lots of colorful lights inside. Again, you definitely want to make sure you go here first thing, get there early, or reserve a time through the virtual line system in the Universal Studios Hollywood app. Now that the ride is open, it's very, very busy, and there's times where you can't even get into the land unless you have a reservation. So be sure to either book a reservation or get there early, or both. As you walk out and get your first glimpse of the world, it's truly impressive. It's very colorful, there's lots of different layers and levels and lots of moving parts. It truly feels like you're inside of a video game. One of the perks of buying a Universal Express Pass ticket is that you get entry into Super Nintendo World once at any time during the day. So if it's going to be a super busy day, or if you're going shortly after the ride is still open, it's probably worth it to get that Express Pass ticket if you're not going to get there super early during the day. You definitely need to know about the new power-up bands before heading to the park. Power-up bands are worn on your wrist like a watch, and you can choose from Mario, Luigi, Princess Peach, Princess Daisy, Toad, and Yoshi bands. Each band costs $40 plus tax. Now with the power-up band, you get to experience the park at a whole different level. A band isn't necessary to enjoy the new land, but it definitely adds to the experience. Use your power-up band to collect digital coins by punching blocks, just like Mario in the game, and to obtain keys after winning challenges throughout the land. With the band, you can also keep track of your individual scores and check your scores on the big screens throughout the land. You can also check in the app. There's one restaurant inside Super Nintendo World, and the food was delicious. Toadstool Cafe is so cute, and the outside is shaped like a toadstool. After you order, you're escorted into the dining area, and it's much larger than it looks from the outside. We couldn't resist buying the adorable Super Mushroom collectible sipper cup. Isn't it the cutest? The sipper cup costs $20 and comes filled with your choice of soda. You can also purchase unlimited refills throughout the day for $1.50. And now for the food. We bought the Mario Bacon Cheeseburger and the Luigi Pesto Chicken Burger, and they both were incredible. They both came with little Mario and Luigi hats on top with a black mustache on the bun. It was adorable. We also loved the Toadstool Cheesy Garlic Knots. They were so yummy and they looked just like little toadstools. Of course, my daughter's favorite was the giant Princess Peach cupcake. The cupcake was beautifully decorated with shimmery pink frosting with little glittery spots on it and a princess crown. Now, Toadstool Cafe is very popular and it fills up very quickly. I highly suggest you head over there first thing in the morning. Even if the restaurant is full, they'll give you a little slip of paper with a return time on it. We got our slip of paper in the morning with a return time of 5:30 to 5:45 p.m. So if you want to eat there, be sure to head there first and get a return time if it's going to be busy. That little piece of paper was also our ticket back into the land, which often requires a virtual line pass return time, so it's important you don't lose that paper. Now let's talk about the one new ride inside the new Super Nintendo World at Universal Studios Hollywood. It's called Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge. The ride was very cool and very technologically advanced. There was also a very long line, so again, be sure to get there early. Right when you get to the park, I would head to Super Nintendo World and get in line for the ride and get your reservation for Toadstool Cafe. In the line queue, you'll wait inside different rooms based on the Mario Kart video game. Eventually, you'll end up inside Bowser's Castle, where you'll be greeted by a large statue of Bowser himself. Before you get on the ride, you'll get a red Mario hat. They're magnetic 3D goggles that click onto the bottom of the hat, and you move your head to aim the AR goggles, your hands to steer the wheel, and your fingers on the controller to create certain actions. And it truly feels like you're inside the video game. Here we are in our awesome red Mario hats. Before you get on the ride, there's a helpful video that shows you exactly how to play the game, what to do, how to turn your head, buttons to push and everything so that you are ready to go once you get on that ride. If you bought a power-up band, be sure to tap your band onto the steering wheel at the beginning of the Mario Karts ride so that you can track the digital coins that you collected during the ride. Now, I'm not going to spoil the ride for you, but I'll show you just a little peek. With the new world comes all new Super Nintendo World merch. Inside the 1UP factory, you'll find the latest collection of Super Nintendo World merchandise and collectibles. There's also stores throughout the park that sell the Super Nintendo World merch, as well as a store on City Walk. We had a wonderful day at Universal Studios Hollywood and loved checking out the new Super Nintendo World. Hopefully you get a chance to go soon too, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it just as much as we did. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks.